Hi, this study is Availability and Costs of Allergic Rhinitis Treatments Across the World, a survey of ARIA experts. And in fact, this study was one of the studies developed in order to inform the ARIA guidelines. In the ARIA guidelines, we are making recommendations based on a set of different criteria. So we need to have evidence to them in order to recommend one intervention over another. And among these criteria, we have costs and cost effectiveness of interventions. But what happened is that up until now, the available evidence on the costs of the treatments for allergic rhinitis was mostly evidence with some years or from individual countries or concerning individual treatments. Therefore, we created a survey that we sent to ARIA experts. And in this survey, we asked them about the availability and the costs of allergic rhinitis medications in their respective countries. We received answers from 51 countries, and from each country, we considered the individual medication with the lowest costs in order to evaluate what would be the costs of 1 month of treatment with each medication class. And what we found was that oral antihistamines were the least expensive interventions for most of the countries, while fixed combinations of intranasal antihistamines and corticosteroids were typically the most expensive intervention. We observed some regional differences with the lowest cost for the different treatment classes typically being observed in Asia. On the other hand, in Latin America, we typically observed the highest costs for the medications of the different classes. Importantly, we are here looking at costs in US dollars adjusted for purchase power. So that way we can more easily compare the different countries. Also importantly, we observed that within the same class, the cheapest and the most expensive medication tended to vary widely across countries. Thank you for your attention.